Nitro here. Yo. So this is my signature sauce. It's ketchup, sugar, if I could afford it, or remember it, brown sugar, soy sauce, catching the theme. The theme is sweet and sour. So these got to meet at the cheapest I've ever seen in my life. You could get like a whole tray. Anyway, let's see what we can do and whether or not I fail. I did get a brand new stainless steel that's girth and so yeah, recipes not all that complicated. It's just ketchup, yellow ketchup, salt, sugar, sodium, soy sauce, people, and the magical gift that gives it to everybody. This will last you for 2 years. It's amazing. Lasts forever. Full reviews through the roof. For 15 years, I've never used anything other. I do like my garlic. Many people do. Chopping it up. Oh, I tried that. Seven cloves of garlic for no one batch for me. I like my garlic. Now this is the cheapest pork you can find because everybody's poor. Don't take long. Well, let's throw it on the grill. Here we go. Oh, and this is my new stick pan, non-stick pan. stainless steel. It's a beast. Well, it's a beast until I say so. I'm getting used to it. Now size, usually mushrooms and onions fried is a Canadian classic. They don't take long to make. But I gotta watch this. The electricity in my building is awesome. Take your eye off it for 1 second. She's all over. Try the brown beans. Garlic, soy, sugar, ketchup. You see the connective tissue right there? It's barely there, but there's more tissue. So something like this, you could cook it and make it a what I'm doing, just getting by. With the marinade. This marinade, look at that. Ideally, I would throw it in the oven. But I have my new frying pan. I've just ate all the meats I carried. Very tender. Almost fall apart. Usually you gotta and battle with them. Depending what you're doing. Or cut them in strips. Cut them up in strips and make that. But this one's been soaking for a good 6-7 hours. So what we got is a sweet and sour minced garlic, salt and pepper, oil, as a backup. I do have a couple frying pans sticking out, but this is new. Oh shit, this is gonna be fast. Shit. No, burn out on me, no. Oh, that's nuts. I can't really cook whole on like if you don't come back. Where's she gonna end up? This is a stainless steel pan. This has been marinated in garlic, sweet and sour. Okie-dokie. Okay.